you don't stand in the flyway, that's why you always want to approach it from behind, why you have to have room to get behind. So, but there's not much we can do, but let's just... why there's an excluder here makes no sense at all. So let's take that out of the way. And then, so let's just see, this is empty, it's going to be light.
I see some in here.
Okay. What I'll do is crack this. Put this down here. Looks like I'd almost be ready to rob honey from this one. No, but we can, we can replace this with another one. Another 6.5 inch. Let me put it back together. It's going to be heavy, so let me just, one person grab it. Yeah, this is full of honey. I'd rob this honey right here.
Then we're going to move one more on top of this one.
And since there's an excluder here, this is also full of honey.
Yeah.
So I would rob it from here, replace this one. So let's get a 9.5 incher. The reason people don't use these for honey collecting, they're so heavy. So no, we're not ready for that yet. But they're so heavy that's why we're just going to put it on there. Okay, so what we'll at least start to do is we'll put the 9.5 incher on here. Take this out. So if you give me the empty one, put that on top. So two 9 inchers make for a brood. Right. Now here's where we'll put this.
You want to put this one instead?
No, because this is a little cleaner. So we'll put this here, and we'll get a 6.5 incher to put on top of here.
What do I want to do with this?
You can just put it over by the other hive bodies. I'm going to just put this on top of here. Yeah, that goes on top of there. And then since it's such a productive hive, I would put a second one of those on top of there. Yes, and the propolis trap. Now, did you get a bee escape? I thought you got one. You know, with that little board with the... No, the bee escape is where they go down through the hole and can't get back up. I thought you... Okay, I thought I gave you one, but I could be mistaken. The reason being is that'd be the trick for this one here. Okay, so that goes on there. or some other foolishness. No, we don't use this. This is instead of that. So then that's one hive ready to go. So with the bee escape, Martha, we put this one with all the honey in there.
Yeah.
The bottom one on top of there, and then all the bees will go down and can't get back up. That way when you take that out, so I would wait till nighttime, and when all the bees hopefully go back into here.
And then underneath?
No, the bee escape would have gone underneath it. That way they can.
Oh, you're talking about something else.
That I already thought you did have, but I thought I gave you one, but. Alright, so that wasn't so bad. Although you've got a lot of honey to.
Oh God, maybe.
You know, what are you gonna do with it? Oh, you know what we should do now? While we're at this, no, we'll slide it forward. That way, in the future when you want to work it, go to the back. And it's not so heavy because it's not full of honey right now. And that's why these are unwieldily heavy to work. Because that's why people use the, and then some people go with the 8-inch frame instead of the 10 because once again, comfort and convenience. I'm just going to take this a hair forward. Alright. Lid on that one. And just, do you have a second propolis? I thought there.
Yeah, there are green ones in that one.
It may be already in the box. Take it over. It's empty, so there's nothing in it really. Yes, that's the bee. It's called a bee trap.
Alright, so that one I would put
Here's
on top of this hive.
No, here's what I would do. What I'll do is we'll put which is really ingenious. We put the bee trap like this, and we put this full of bees on top of it.
Oh.
The bees will all go out, and then when you go to steal honey, there won't have any bees in it. Well, we will hold off on that. It'll go on the. It'll go here after we've taken this second super off. We could. That's the full one. And I think that will take two of us to lift up onto it.
Sarah can do it.
Alright. Alright, Sarah. It's heavy. Okay. Let's position it. It's a bit top heavy now, but this way all these bees will then go out of there.
Right, and then it'll be easier to
Right.
route.
Let's see how many bees are in here. Very many or just a few? Right, but some additions of bees here. We'll just, it's light. Just put it on top of here. do the same. And then when you take these two off to rob the honey, there should be no bees in it. They'll all go down below and start doing their job. Okay, well, let me take a breather and think of this one out. Why don't you smoke this a tad? Actually, let's just keep going with it. And so, ideally, this is probably also going to be full of honey.
This is not.
That's not.
It's a little bit. It's only about a third or a half.
So this is what you want for honey, because they're not too heavy. We'll be putting that back on, so
There's not much in here either.
no, because they're all empty.
Well, no. This one's full.
Well, do we have another new 9.5-inch box? Please. First. See, it's got way too much honey and not enough brood in there. Okay, let's put this on top. Do we have a cleaner excluder? And we'll have put a 6.5-inch hive body on top. Martha, I think this bottom one is good. Just take that off. This on top. Do you have a second one of these 6.5-inch hive bodies? I've got one at the house, but what's it got in it?
I might have some bars, empty bars. You want me to check? Oh, I don't.
You won't want to do that with this. What we're going to do is we're just going to put this back on, and then when we're finished with the beakscape there, we'll use the beakscape here, and then replace this with a well, you know, that's so full of honey. No, I'm just trying to think that. What do we have in here?
Not much.
Did we take one of the honey ones out of here or not?
No, I took what the bones were.
Okay, well then, let's just rob this one. And what you do is I just wait till the evening or at night, and those bees will go back into a hive. Not, so you just put a lid on it. Or let's put a propolis trap under here. Here you go. Don't need this. That replaces that. So grab this. Grab this. Let's see. So this is a new hive, and that's
I don't know what kind of beehive. It's the one my brother bought me down from Colorado.
okay. Is there any way we can move it next to that one? It looks like a better location.
Well, yeah.
Or well, let's look inside of it. Let me just take a break, breather.
And you want to move
What's that? Oh, you want it? You do. Okay. For a number of reasons, and it's where we want to put that. Or I'm thinking about what are we going to do with that 6.5 inch full of honey. Because we could set it on there, sure. Well, no, because then it will pop the frames out or something. Alright. So we want to move this hive back over to there. Do you have another pallet or thing? And